Ever pondered why time always marches forward and never backward? Why can we remember the past but not the future? And how does all this relate to the vast expanse of the universe? Well, you're about to find out. Imagine time as a river, flowing from the past, through the present, and into the future. But unlike a river, time doesn't flow at the same speed everywhere. This is where space comes into play. You see, space and time are interwoven into a single continuum known as space-time. Picture it as a cosmic fabric that stretches and warps under the weight of matter and energy. Now, suppose you're a tiny speck on this fabric. If there are no heavy objects nearby, you'd move in a straight line. But if a massive object like a planet or a star comes into the picture, the fabric warps around it. You'd then find yourself moving along a curved path, much like a marble rolling around a bowl. This curvature, my friends, is what we experience as gravity. And just like the fabric warps under weight, it also stretches and compresses with time. For instance, near a massive object where the fabric of space-time is heavily warped, time crawls at a slower pace. That's why time on a mountaintop runs faster than at sea level, albeit by a minuscule amount that's barely noticeable in everyday life. But what about the universe at large? Well, the universe isn't a static entity, it's expanding, becoming ever more spacious with time. This cosmic expansion stretches the fabric of space-time itself, causing galaxies to drift apart. It's like baking a loaf of raisin bread. As the dough expands, the raisins move away from each other, even though they're not moving on their own. In the same vein, galaxies aren't flying away. They're being carried away by the expansion of space-time. So, to sum it all up, time and space are inseparable aspects of our universe. They form a unified fabric that molds our reality, dictating how we move and how we perceive the world around us. Time, as we experience it, is a result of this intricate interplay between space and matter. And the universe, in all its grandeur, is a consequence of the stretching and warping of this cosmic fabric. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The universe is a complex beast, and there's still much we don't understand. So keep pondering, keep questioning, and who knows? Perhaps one day you'll unravel the mysteries of time and space. Until then, enjoy the ride on this cosmic roller coaster we call life.